I guess I'm just a play date to you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. How's your day? I hope you are always fine. Welcome to my presentation. My name is Muhammad Fawwas Abyan as a founder of educational startup namely edutech.me. I am a student of English Education Department in Universitas Muhammadiyah Purwokerto. Nowadays, education is one of the benchmark of a person's quality. In Indonesia, we are required to take at least 9 years of education. However, the word of education is currently getting obstacled by the COVID-19 pandemic. This causes education to be carried out through online system. Many students complain about not being able to understand learning material in online classes. However, not to worry, because I'm going to present introducing educational applications that are collaborative with technology. This is edutech.me.
Edutech.me is a technology-based educational application that has been designed to keep pace with the times. This application is an online learning by providing various features that are very useful for its users. Before I explain in more detail about what we offer, I will introduce the philosophy of my startup logo. First, the basic color of orange gives the impression of enthusiasm, adventure, optimism, confidence, and ability to socialize. Meaning, each user is expected to have enthusiasm and optimism in learning English. 2. The graduation illustration indicates that this application is an educational application. It also describes people who have knowledge, meaning that our tutors are tutors who already have experience and are certified reliable educators. 3. The black dots behind the graduates also have philosophical values. They mean the constraints and challenges that users face. However, users can remain opinionated and can solve these problems. 4. The use of fonts in the word edutech.me uses a straightforward and not stiff font so that the hope of learning in this application can run fun and not stressful. The word also indicates that the logo is an application belonging to edutech.me. Under the word, there is a phrase technology-based education using elegant font and premium graduation colors that give the impression of a visionary, so that it gives the impression of advanced technology. It is hoped that this technology-based education will be the right application for learning in this millennial era. 5. Colorful circle mean that aspects in edutech.me have high spirit and are powerful, so they are easy to adjust to the situation. Colorful collaboration signifies a balance between the tutor or the user. The balance rejects any intimidation in it.
There are various features in the edutech.me application, including Teach Me, Smart Lock vocabularies, Listen to Me, Reading, Grammatically Correct, and Community. The first is Teach Me. Teach Me is a superior feature from edutech.me This feature provides videos and materials from reliable tutors. Users can also directly consult the tutor in question. Although the material in this application is organized and systematic, users can also look for the desired material through search engine. Then, Smart Lock with One Day, One Word vocabulary. This application will automatically request permission to access the smartphone screen lock. Every time the screen is asleep for 5 seconds, automatically lock screen will be active. The screen lock can only be unlocked by entering the answer, which is the meaning and part of speech of a word. The more often you open your smartphone, the more vocabularies you will get. Next, grammatically correct. If you like to write but still doubt whether it is on grammar or not, this feature is very suitable for testing the truth of a sentence or even a paragraph. Grammatically correct makes sure everything you type is effective and mistake-free. You will be improved as this feature isn't just a safety net, so you will get detailed explanation for all your mistakes to help you avoid making them again in the future. And then, listen me. Another excellent feature is Listen Me. This feature provides a listening section in which there are exercises and discussion questions. Users can choose the level according to their ability: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. This feature also provides how to spell and pronounce a word that is equipped with phonetic transcriptions. And then, reading. This feature provides a variety of reading text to practice the user's reading skills. There are lots of practice questions and discussion according to the chosen level. You may choose which level do you want. You can also practice to answer questions based on your text. There will be an explanation on each answered questions. And then the last one is community. Not only provides feature for material, but edutech.me also provides feature to add your relationship. Users can find new friends in this application. There are community features that contain countries filter, so users can sort and choose friends to study together. There are chat and call features. Users can practice their speaking skill through this feature. Then, I will show you statistical data about users of edutech.me application in the last 5 years. In 2016, statistical data showed that users of this application reached 37 million people. These users are users from various countries in the world, such as Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, Japan, Korea, and others. Users of this application are on average vulnerable aged 14 years to 27 years. According to statistical data, it can be seen that there was a decline in users in 2017. This feature is at the point of 30 million people. Then we look back at various user input and develop our startup. In the end, we were able to develop our startup, and user the following year could jump dramatically. User in 2018 experienced a very significant increase. There are also 70 users of this application. In 2019, also increased. User this year reached 78 million. In early 2020 was the most amazing year EduTech.me application users are at the highest peak of all time. This is possible because of the application of learning and working from home because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So people decided to study online. In the end, I arrived at the end of the session. For those of you who are still confused about learning English, now you will not hesitate to join us. Thanks for your attention and see you on edutech.me.